Hello everyone, I'm Jack. We are in Fendior Z70 Ultra Smartwatch. It is 49毫米. It is a plain white box. The first is the manual. Watch size 49毫米. Then the wireless charger. (2.01 inch big screen. Aluminum alloy. Here we can see that there is a sensor. Spin button. Long press the power on off button. Sport button. Microphone. Long press to power on. This watch has an extra 2.01 inch screen. Firstly, let's check the watch faces. We can rotate this round button to change. Five menu styles. Bluetooth name, Z70 Ultra. Let's see that there are many national languages. Set date and time. Let's take a look at the QR code. What app is this? Scan QR code. fitpro app download. Open your fitpro app. Click here to connect via Bluetooth. You can see this has the Bluetooth name of the watch. Z70 Ultra. Connecting. Phone pops up with Bluetooth name, Z70 Ultra. Did you see it? Here we can look at the dial. DIY face. Customizable dial. Choose your favorite photo. OK. Downloading. We can look at the dial. Beautiful. Bluetooth to make a call. Bluetooth music playback. Bright screen. Can add contact action. We can see that there are contacts on the watch. Message reminder setting on off. Message reminder setting on off. General setting. Heart rate detection. Blood oxygen detection. Blood pressure detection. ECG detection. Health ring. Sleep detection. Style switch. Reset. Weather forecast. Stopwatch. Calculator. Look how much sport mode there is. Wireless charging.